Hey everybody, I wanted to show you something really cool today, and that is Flash Fill. So I'm going to open up one I call Flash Fill Fun, and I'm going to make this a table. Control T, and you can see here that it doesn't recognize my headers, so I need to put that on. My table has headers, click OK, and I'm going to split out the first name, the initial, and the last name, so that we can do stuff like sort with this. So I'm going to type in the first name, press enter. A lot of you know about autofill, where you go to the bottom right hand corner and you can either drag, or I like to double click, it's faster. Get the little black cross in the bottom right hand corner. It gives me a whole bunch of Spencers. I do not want that, so I'm going to go Flash Fill. Look what it does. It just knows to do that. Then I'm going to go C dot, and I'm going to go back up. There's my little black cross again. Double click. Gives me a bunch of C dots, so I can go Flash Fill. Now for this last one, we're going to do it a couple ways. Hemingway, enter, and there's a shortcut key. Hemingway, enter, Control E. Bam, done. That's one way to do it. I'm going to select that and hit delete. Try it again. I kind of like the shortcut key, but this is just another way that you can do it. You can just start typing the second one. So what you're doing is you're kind of giving it a pattern. So the last name is Nutweg, N-U, oh my goodness, look what it did. Can you tell what it's doing? It knows Nutweg and it wants to fill the rest of them in. Yay! Enter. So type the first one, double click it, Flash Fill, or type the first one, Control E, or type the first one and then just start typing the second one and see if it picks up the pattern. Isn't that amazing? I hope you like this week's golden nugget. See you next time.